How to fix your PC can't project to another screen. Try reinstalling the driver using a different video card.
First, open your Start menu and type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your display adapter. Select Properties. Go to the Driver tab. Click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for driver software. Wait for the update to be installed. You can also click on Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Now click on Check for updates. First, Google GeForce Experience. Click on GeForce Experience. Press Download now. Save the file. Run the file. Press Yes. Now install the program. If you already have GeForce Experience installed, open GeForce Experience. Click on Drivers. Select if you want an express or custom installation. This will install the drivers for your video card model. Now wait for the drivers to be installed.